Figma just released the biggest and maybe the worst update yet. Now they are changing how drafts in a Figma work with the context. The company has clarified things, but people are still mad and confused about these changes. So the first big change here is how the navigation bar or the sidebar is going to look for you, because now drafts are gone and drafts section will have moved to a specific theme. You will see an interface that looks something like called drafts to move. And inside this interface, you can move multiple drafts at the same time. If they are drafts they are not connecting to a theme, you won't be able to edit those drafts. If the update has already rejected you, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, most of you won't be see this yet. Each draft will be only visible to that specific theme, and of course, if you have access to that draft, then you will be able to edit it. Go to the official Figma Learn page and then you have updated the update under the frequently asked questions, link below in the description. If you are a typical share your draft files with the others, you and your recipient will need to a paid seat to edit this file. That means if you are on a free plan and have free files, that's fine. But above the free files, you will not able to edit or view, or neither will anyone else unless you get paid plan, which is about $20 per month if you are buy for a year. Right after these weird sentences, they are continue saying that on a professional team, people with a free viewer or viewer restrict seat can continue creating and editing unlimited drafts files in their team. They only need to upgrade to a paid seats if they want to share this file with other people. You will still need a paid professional team plan, where if you are a free viewer, if someone invites you to the team but you are not an editor on the team, you can still create unlimited drafts. For now this is a bit clearer. I can create unlimited drafts, but I cannot share them. I'm not sure if backgrounds will come soon. Apparently viewer and viewer only seats are only for a team where maybe you are a collaborator or a commentator, maybe like a product manager, but in most teams, if you are not a designer, you have to have a paid seats. So technically, even if you want to have unlimited drafts, you cannot have unlimited jobs, because then you will lose access to a paid feature. If I made any mistake trying to summarize this update for you, please let me know in the comments below. If you are still confused, let's have a debate in the comment below. This is all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Be sure to check out the channel for more content. I am Przemysław. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. If you like it, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Take care until next time.